So now the problem, prove that div curl f is equal 0. So this was the problem. So prove that div curl f is equal. First we find curl f, then find the divergence. So first curl f. So let solution, let f is equal, suppose f1i plus f2j plus f3k. First we find out curl. So curl f is equal to, so del cross f. So del cross f is equal to I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z. And here f is equal to f1 f2 f3. So f1 f2 f3 like this. So here curl f, that is I into, so here this like this. So dou f3 by dou y minus dou f2 by dou z minus j into, here like this, dou f3 by dou x minus dou f1 by dou z. Next plus k into, so here k like this. So dou f2 by dou x minus dou f1 by dou y. So this is the value of curl f. So now we have div curl f. So div curl f. So first we obtain the value curl f. So then div apply it to apply. So div curl f is equal to div curl f is equal to div means I dot dou by dou x plus j dot dou by dou y plus k dot dou by dou z, or I dou by dou x dot product. So I into, so like this, same as this one you can write this. So next dot product. So dot product means here I dot I is 1. So multiplying, so dou by dou x into dou f3 by dou y, that is dou square f3 by dou x dou y minus dou square f2 by dou x dou z. So I can write this. I dot I is 1 dou by dou x of dou f3 by dou y minus dou f2 by dou z plus into minus minus dou by dou y of dou f3 by dou x minus dou f1 by dou z. Dou f1 by dou z plus dou by dou z of dou f2 by dou x minus dou f1 by dou y. So this is the div curl f. Then we multiplying with this. So that is, so dou by dou x in terms of, so dou square f3 by dou x dou y minus dou square f2 by dou x dou z. Next here minus is inside, so dou square f3 by dou y dou x, here minus into minus is plus dou square f1 by dou y dou z plus dou square f2 by dou z dou x plus into minus minus dou square f1 by dou z dou. So here dou square f3 by dou x dou y, this is the plus. So here dou square f3 by dou x. This is the negative. So this is the plus and this is the negative. So these two values get cancelled. So here dou square f2 by dou x dou z. So here the sign is negative and here this sign is positive. So these two are cancelled. So remaining dou square f1 by dou z and these two is cancelled. So therefore the total value is 0. So now div curl f is equal 0. So hence true. So this is the one. So like that. Next under problem, find curl f. So where f is equal to grad x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Here our problem is, so find curl f where f is equal to grad means gradient, grad x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So first we find the value of grad. So then we find the value curl. So first, so let's solution. So here first x cube plus y cube. So given function f is equal to grad x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So here let pi is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So now therefore f is equal grad pi. So grad f is equal grad. So here f is equal grad pi. So that is grad f. So grad f means f is equal grad pi. So then grad f is equal I dou pi by dou x plus j dou pi by dou y plus k dou pi by dou z. So that is I into dou by dou x of here pi. Pi is equal here x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz plus j into dou by dou y of just formula dou by dou y of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz plus k into dou by dou z of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So here, so we find the grad f value. So I dou by dou x of here I. So with respect to x, here x cube is 3x square. So 3x square. Here y cube and z cube is 0 and minus 3xyz. Here 3yz is constant and x with respect to x is the value is 1. So minus 3yz. So this is next plus j into here j into x cube is 0 and z cube is 0. Here with respect to y 3y square minus 3. Here y with respect to y is 1 and 3x that is constant 3xz plus k into similarly with respect to z 3z square minus 3x1. So this is the value. So next we find curl. So curl grad pi. So curl grad pi is, so that is f is equal grad pi. So curl f. So curl F is equal I J K dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z, and here 3x square minus 3yz, 3y square minus 3xz, 3z square minus 3xy. This. So next here I into, so dou by dou y of 3z square minus 3xy minus dou by dou z of 3y square minus 3xz. This is the one. Next minus j into so this one j into dou by dou x of 3z square minus 3xy minus, so j into, so dou by dou x, so dou by dou z of 3x square minus 3yz. This is the z. Next plus k into, so last term this is k, dou by dou x of 3y square minus 3xz minus dou by dou y of 3x square minus 3yz. So this is the value. So next simplify. Sorry, I value in. So here I into, so dou by dou y of, with respect to y, this is 3z square minus 3xy is differential. So 3z square here with respect to y, this is constant, so this value is 0. And next minus 3xy, here minus 3x is constant, and with respect to y, that value, this value is minus 3x. This. Next minus, so here with respect to z, 3y square is constant. So here with respect to z, here this minus and this into this is minus into minus is plus. So here with respect to z, 3x. Next minus j into, here with respect to x, so 3z square is 0 minus 3xy. So with respect to x is 1 and minus 3y. Minus 3. Next minus dou by dou z of 3x square. Here 3x square is 0 and with respect to z minus 3y. So here minus and this minus is plus. So plus 3y plus k into, so with respect to x, this value is 0 minus 3z minus with respect to y, this value is 0 and this minus with respect to y 3z. So that is here minus into minus is plus, so plus 3z. So we can see that, so I into, so minus 3x plus 3x, the value is 0 minus j into minus 3y plus 3y, that is 0 plus k into minus 3z plus 3z, that is 0. So therefore the total value is 0. Therefore we can prove that f is equal to, that is curl f is equal, the value is curl f is equal 0. So this is the solution to the problem. Okay, next curl. So what do you mean by curl? So we know that curl. So again find the curl value. So del cross f, that is I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z, and suppose f is equal to f1 1 I plus f2 j f3 k. So we take it as f1 f2 f3. So similarly we can take another problem, that is if a is equal, under problem, if capital A is equal x square yi minus 2xz j plus 2yz k, then find curl A. So we can here find the value of curl A. So look at this problem. So here if A is equal x square yi minus 2xzj plus 2yzk. So here find curl A. So that is curl A we can write as, so that is del cross A. So this one and this one is the both are same. So first we can find the curl value, then we can apply again curl. So we can solve the problem. So first here solution. So let given A is equal x square yi minus 2xzj plus 2yzk. So this is given as. So here first we can find curl A value. So that is curl A. So curl A is equal I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z. Here I j quotients. Here I quotient is x square y minus 2xz 2yz. Next, similarly I into, so here dou by dou y of 2yz minus, so here minus into minus is plus, I can write plus dou by dou z of 2xz. This is the I. Next minus j into, here j, dou by dou x of 2yz minus, so here j into like this one, and dou by dou z of x square 1. So this is the j. Next last one plus k into, here k, dou by dou x of minus 2xz minus dou by dou y of x square 1. So this is. Next here this is equal, so this is the all the value is curl A. So I into, so here with respect to y 2z, so 2z. Next plus with respect to z is plus 2x. Next minus j into, with respect to x, this value is 0, here there is no x value, so here this is constant, so the value is 0. Next one is also here x square y, here no z value, so this is the 0, so 0 minus 0 plus k into, so here with respect to x, so minus 2z is constant and dou by dou x of x, so that is the value x is 1, so minus 2z. Next minus with respect to y, here x square is outside and dou by dou y of y, the value is 1, so that is x square. So this is the total value of only curl A. Then again we can find curl A. So that is 2x plus 2z into I minus, here 0, the value is 0, j, here minus is outside common, so plus, sorry, minus, so minus common, So 2z plus x square into k. So this is the total value of curl A. But we can find the value of curl A. So we can find only curl A. But now we find the value of curl A. So that is curl A is equal I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z. Here I coefficient is 2x plus 2z. This is 0. This is minus of 2z plus x square. Or we can write as minus 2z minus x square. So your choice. So that is equal I into this one dou by dou y of minus, here minus is there, so minus 2z plus x square. So dou by dou, this is the value is 0. So minus j into here j. So this one. So dou by dou x of minus 2z plus x square and minus dou by dou z of 2x plus 2z. Next, plus k into here k into this one is 0 minus dou by dou y of 2z. So 2x plus 2z or 2z plus 2x, this one. So simplify this one. So that is, so here with respect to y, here y values we can see or not. So here there is no y term in this. So here 2z and x square. So there is no the term of y. So the value is 0. So that is 0 I. So next minus 0. So minus j into here minus j into, so dou by dou x of minus 2z minus x square. Here minus 2z is 0 and minus x square. So with respect to x, so we can know x power n differentiation is n into x power n minus 1. So like that, here x square the value is 2x minus 2x. So minus 2x. This one. So again with respect to z. So here 2x with respect to z, there is here in this term no z value. So this is the 0. And here z is there. So here minus. So minus. So with respect to z, the value is 1 and 2. So last one is plus k into 0 minus dou by dou y of this one. Here there is, in this term there is no y terms. So that is the total value is 0. 0 minus 0, that is 0 plus 0 into k or k into 0. So that is 0 I means 0. So minus j into minus 2x minus 2 plus here this value is also 0. So here minus j into here minus 2 is outside or minus, only minus is common. We can learn that. So minus 2 is outside. So that is x plus 1. So minus into minus is plus 2j into x plus 1. So this is the value of curl A. So therefore curl A is equal 2j into x plus 1. So this is the value of curl A. So like that we can solve any problems.